Name a time when you had too many things to do and how to prioritize your tasks. One thing that I can think of in particular was the day that we also had an audit. Product shipment is which when we ship our product, our plasma, out to our logistics center for manufacturing of medications for patients. We also had reactives to reclass, which we have to reclass those units to make sure that we're not shipping out any kind of reactive units that have positive for a biomarker. We have our power hour, which is all hands on deck. Everyone from every area, it doesn't matter what position you work, all work towards the same goal, which is pushing donors through the first hour for good customer service. And I also had my everyday tasks of, chart reviews and reviewing of logs. And so for this day in particular, when I first came in and I was aware of all these things that needed to be done, I communicated with management first to make sure we were on the same page. The next thing that I did was go and change out all the logs and do my walkthrough to make sure everything looked complete, everything was signed for, all the cleanings and not manufacturing, but maintenance of our equipment has been completed accordingly to the manufacturer's guide and also our standard operational procedure. I also checked the defective soft goods log just to make sure we weren't shipping out or there were any defective soft goods that we had used the previous day. In addition to that, once that was complete, I helped out with Power Hour. And Power Hour is all hands on deck. We pulled charts, we pushed donors through. Once that was complete, I communicated with the manager again to make sure we were on the same page to go back to our lab that's in center to reclass those reactive units. We had to reclass those first because we cannot complete our product shipment prior to having reactives reclass. The next thing that we did after reclassing our units for reactive shipment, we went to go host a CLIA audit, which they arrived right as we were finishing reclassing those reactive units. I had to run in there and then get them prepped while my manager finished up reclassing units. And then she met me in the office. And the reason why a manager and quality have to be together to reclass those units is just to make sure there's no errors, that we are grabbing the correct unit to making sure that we're not actually what we call shipping a hot unit to our logistics center to manufacture for medications. We want to make sure that we pull those units from our product shipment. So it is very important that quality and management are present for that process just to make sure we're accurately doing it. So after we finished that, I went to go get the auditor set up. And as soon as I got them set up, the manager was complete with her part of the reactive reclassment, and we hosted our CLIA audit. After we hosted the CLIA audit, then we had to do our product shipment. And like I said, we couldn't have done that without completing the other tasks for it first. Once the product shipment was done, the day went pretty smoothly. I was able to complete my other tasks, such as chart reviews and review of logs. And so that's how I prioritize my day.